This is Danny, one of our top installers right here. What he's doing is he's wrapping the water heater to help save about 10 to 15, or I think EPA says about 5 to 8% savings on the water heater fully wrapped, because that keeps that hot water hot and make sure that when you need the hot water, it's there. What he's doing right now is he's just cutting around it. Make sure everything's covered. Finishing it up. Now he's sizing it right here, then he's just going to cut down, make sure it's good size. Now this right here also can compete with the traditional insulation water heater wrap. Honestly, ours is a little bit better because you have the bubble wrap with the airspace with the radiant barrier on it. I mean, that's one of the top things that you can use right here. Okay, what he's doing right here is he's just sizing up the tape. Now this is a reflective tape. It's some of the best in the market. Wherever you stick this on, it won't come off at all. Yeah, just like that. He's wrapping it up. This is considered one of the top things you can do for hot water heaters. Cover this up. One of the other things is to lower your hot water temperature, and you can look at some other videos on the exact temperature that we recommend you have your hot water heater at. That's just sealing it up. Now of course we leave the bottom open for all the fumes and everything to escape. Of course, we want to make sure you have full access to your box at all times.
good.